English Tagalog phrases, lesson number 35. My shirt turned yellow because of the strong detergent. My shirt turned yellow because of the strong detergent. Nanilaw ang damit ko dahil sa matapang na sabon. His face swelled up after an insect bite. His face swelled up after an insect bite. Namaga ang mukha niya nang makagat siya ng insekto. He aged a lot due to stress. He aged a lot due to stress. Tumanda siya ng husto dahil sa stress. He got buried in debt because of gambling. He got buried in debt because of gambling. Nabaon siya sa utang dahil sa sugal. My clothes got looser because I lost weight. My clothes got looser because I lost weight. Lumuwag ang damit ko kasi pumayat ako. His lips turned blue because of the cold. His lips turned blue because of the cold. Naging asul ang labi niya dahil sa lamig. My skin got darker after being in the sun. My skin got darker after being in the sun. Nangitim ang balat ko pagkatapos magbilad sa araw. She looks younger after getting a facial. She looks younger after getting a facial. Bumata ang itsura niya pagkatapos magpa-facial. Their friendship grew stronger over time. Their friendship grew stronger over time. Tumibay ang pagkakaibigan nila sa paglipas ng panahon. I was impressed by how good she is at cooking. I was impressed by how good she is at cooking. Bumilib ako sa galing niyang magluto. His hair turned white from old age. His hair turned white from old age. Namuti ang buhok niya sa katandaan. The road became wider after being fixed. The road became wider after being fixed. Lumapad ang daan matapos ayusin. My hair got longer because I didn't get a haircut. My hair got longer because I didn't get a haircut. Humaba ang buhok ko kasi hindi ako nagpagupit. I got a headache from too much work. I got a headache from too much work. Sumakit ang ulo ko sa dami ng trabaho. His pants shrank after being washed. His pants shrank after being washed. Umurong ang pantalon niya pagkatapos labhan. He sneezed because of the dust. He sneezed because of the dust. Nabahing siya dahil sa alikabok. The room felt cramped because of all the stuff. The room felt cramped because of all the stuff. Sumikip ang kwarto dahil sa dami ng gamit. She got dizzy while traveling. She got dizzy while traveling. Nahilo siya habang nasa biyahe. She cooled down after they talked. She cooled down after they talked. Humupa ang galit niya matapos nilang makapag-usap. The glass broke when it hit the floor. The glass broke when it hit the floor. Nabasag ang baso nang mahulog sa sahig. The tire got punctured so it had to be replaced. The tire got punctured so it had to be replaced. Nabutas ang gulong kaya kinailangang palitan. I learned a lot more about cooking because of YouTube. I learned a lot more about cooking because of YouTube. Mas marami akong natutunan sa pagluluto dahil sa YouTube. The bread got soggy after being soaked in milk. The bread got soggy after being soaked in milk. Lumambot ang tinapay pagkatapos mababad sa gatas. The mud hardened after drying in the sun. The mud hardened after drying in the sun. Tumigas ang putik nang matuyo sa araw. Her vision blurred due to fatigue. Her vision blurred due to fatigue. Lumabo ang paningin niya dahil sa pagod. Joel put on weight after he stopped exercising. Joel put on weight after he stopped exercising. Tumaba si Joel mula nang tumigil siya sa pag-eehersisyo. She slimmed down because of her new diet. She slimmed down because of her new diet. Pumayat siya dahil sa bago niyang diet. The wind picked up before the storm. The wind picked up before the storm. Lumakas ang hangin bago bumagyo. The river gets shallow during summer. The river gets shallow during summer. Bumababaw ang ilog tuwing tag-init.